Hi, my name is Jean and this is my channel Learn with Jean. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the pros and cons of using AI tools such as Chat GPT in your business. This video is not aimed at telling you whether it's right or wrong to use Chat GPT or other AI tools. The goal of this video is to present some pros and some cons and say ethics and dilemmas of using AI tools to help you make a better decision of whether AI is something you want to utilize in your business or not. So most creators find that copywriting or email copy is very challenging and frustrating because it's really hard to get in this psychology writing and writing kind of marketing lens of writing in your buyer's head. Sometimes as creators, we are sometimes so married, we're so connected to our own business that it's hard to take a step back and to write email copy or write sales copy. And so that's where tools such as Chat GPT can become really helpful to put in some ideas to the machine and get some thoughts and guidance. Now, Chat GPT and other AI tools are really popular. They make it really easy to use. I'll put in some so that you can see how easy it is to use Chat GPT. AI tools are really easy to use and very accessible. You just go to Chat GPT and start putting in some prompts, putting in some ideas, and you get some results and input to start your writing for sales copy or email copy. Now, if you don't like that, you can continue feeding and refining the machine's results so that you get something more precise. Now, what I love about ChatGPT is that it is another tool out here. In the world of software and technology, we have access to more tools than ever to grow our business and to support us in our business. And that's one of the beauties of ChatGPT and AI is that it can help write copy for us and give us ideas on how to craft our copy. So it can be a great supplemental tool in our businesses, and it can be a great idea generator. Now, one of the limitations is that it is still a machine, and a machine is only as good as the program that it is written in. And so the machine will never fully know our lived experiences and the personas that we're trying to capture. And so that's one of the downsides, is that it is only as good as what it's been programmed to write. It cannot fully capture the human experience. And that's the other dark side, is that do we really want to rely on AI tools in our business? Or can we really lean on our own intuition rather than lean on AI? What if we asked ourselves, what is the answer? What is it that I'm trying to convey in my email? Or maybe what is it that I'm trying to convey in my sales copy? Where we really get our most brilliant ideas, when we really get quiet and listen to our intuition. I find it also very time consuming to continually refine the machine's prompts and results. So with that kind of time that I could spend on refining the results from the machine, I'd rather focus on the intuition that is within me and within all of us to guide the kind of writing and the kind of copy that we want to convey in our business. Here is ChatGPT, and I want to show you a few examples of where ChatGPT can be useful when you're just trying to generate fact-based information, and also some challenges when you're trying to get some marketing copy and where I see the limitations in marketing copy. So first, let's look at some old examples with fact-based research. I helped a friend look up some information with registering a nonprofit in New York and then selling OEM and what it takes to set up an online shop on Shopify. And this is where I think ChatGPT excels. So if I'm saying ChatGPT, how do I set up an online Shopify? They give me all the different steps in a very concise way. So it's much easier to read and it's much more simplified than going into Google and saying, how do I set up an online shop with Shopify? It's straightforward, it's like bullet form, it's lists, it's easier to read. And then I asked you what's the difference between a Shopify store and WooCommerce, which is a WordPress plugin. And again, this is what it does really well. It summarizes and it makes the information very concise. So I don't have to spend too much time interpreting a website's information. Same thing here with New York nonprofit registration. Chat GPT made it really easy to see what do I need to do, what are my steps. But more so, I like that Chat GPT is very upfront with, this is not by all means legal advice. Please always consult a lawyer. So those are some examples which I think Chat GPT excels in. Now let's look at an example of marketing copy. Let's say, help me write an email to my list about launching an online business. If my audience is older, retired adults, older than 50. So then I can type this in, and then this is where ChatGPT will give me some sample copy. And so it's really fast, and it gives me some ideas based on this persona of older retired folks older than 50. So this email, it sounds like something you would read in this online business world. Dear person, I hope this email finds you well. As someone who is retired or approaching retirement, you might be looking for ways to supplement your income or explore new interests, and I want to let you know about an exciting opportunity that may interest you, launching an online business. My only limitation with ChatGPT is that this is written towards this idea of that people on my list are older than 50. And while this is great copy, this is not the copy that I would use in my business because, one, this doesn't sound like me, and this doesn't sound like the kind of tone that I would write in nor speak in. Ultimately, ChatGPT cannot really write in my head because ChatGPT is a machine, and a machine has not had the same lived experiences that I have with trying to teach older adults how to launch an online business. I invite you to explore the world of AI and see for yourself whether this is something you want to use in your business or not. While AI is very beneficial, there are pros and cons, and it is up to each of us to decide whether we want to use it in our business or not. There are lots of advantages, and there's also some challenges and dilemmas. AI neglects our human experience and what we bring to the table from our own lived experiences that a machine cannot know. If you're considering whether to use ChatGPT or not, I would say the best way is to try it out and see if you like it, but also remember that we are human beings with intuition and insights within ourselves that we can tap into for our own business, and don't ignore that because that's so valuable and so often neglected. So I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, thoughts, or perspectives on using AI tools in your business and whether you found it helpful or not. I will talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.